OWallet. Transact globally unhindered. ONPASSIVE brings you OWallet, an exclusive digital mobile wallet application that is designed to give you the utmost ease and security in every transaction that you make. Built for the ONPASSIVE ecosystem and enabled with multiple layers of security features, OWallet gives its users hassle-free access to make online purchases, transfers, and accept funds anytime from anywhere. Presenting a highly responsive interface, you can access your digital wallet from your mobile or desktop with equal ease. OWallet will utilize facial recognition as an additional security layer before initiating any financial transaction for authentication. With OWallet, you can organize and schedule your payments to ensure you do not miss any deadlines and are always on time. Its detailed dashboard gives access to past transactions and spend analysis to understand how you spend. OWallet is a new-age digital wallet that comes with OCoins, its exclusive currency that you can exchange for equal value in the currency of any nation. Allowing you to make transactions and make purchases even with OCoins, OWallet gives you access to a world of possibilities. Key features of OWallet: stores credit and debit card information, peer-to-peer payments, safe and secure, fraud detection feature, instant payments between wallets, merchant payments via contactless technologies, NFC or QR code scanning. Give every transaction the security that you deserve with a digital wallet that specially caters to your need with ONPASSIVE.